Hello. Welcome, everybody. Hey, welcome back. Let's see what's going to happen. Itwhip. Hey, good to see you, man. Paul. Hey there. Kirktown. Well, we're going to have some, we are definitely going to do some prop deal recap. That's for sure. Zachromancer, good to see you. Hey, welcome. All right, so we have the NFP news, right? So let's see. Let's see how are the numbers. And I think we don't have a market open, right? Or do we? Yeah. Anyway. Just a second. What was the number? What was the number? D-Pain. Hey, welcome. So, wow. Wow. Actually, good numbers. All right. 4th of June. Yeah, exactly. So we don't particularly have a market open, right? Maybe we can expect some volume coming into the market. ES broke all-time high, obviously. So that's kind of interesting. And yeah. I'm not sure. Is Apex 90% again? I have to check it. This is the first time I'm seeing it at the computer today, so I'm not sure. It's 80% still, I think. But Funded Futures Network is back to buy one, get one for free again until 4th of July. All right, so here's the move. We might be pushing up to 23K. Look at that. I think that's what it wants to do. What do you guys think? I think it wants it. I think it wants it. What's the deal here? Yeah, I think it just wants to do it. Most likely. Look at that. It wants to make a new history. Up to 23K. Oh my gosh. What a push here. What a push here. Green. Hey, good to see you. No, not yet. I just checked it. There's no 90%. I have to talk to Apex. Don't worry. We're gonna get them on the phone. Don't worry. It's gonna happen. Whatever it takes. Okay, so what is this push? I'm not jumping into anything here. I'm just curious if it wants to go higher. ES also. ES actually almost tagging the 6300 up here. NQ seemingly also wants to go higher. Cool. That's kind of cool. All right. What else do we have? Does this want to go higher? Feels like NQ wanted to go for that 23K. Is it really want to go for it? Man. It's tough. It's tough. It is tough. ES at 6,300. New all-time highs all over the place. I wonder if NQ wants to do the same or we're going to see a pullback. Not really interested to jump in here. And I'm just going to sit on the sidelines. But, you know, I guess the market really wants to see those levels. I mean, that's the only thing that's left for today. So I guess we'll see. It might want to go up there. Who knows? Let's see. I'll be curious about this, that's for sure. How was London session? I was not at the computer. I haven't even checked what was happening here. Seems like just ranging. Oh my god. This is terrible. Like 30 points range. That's absolutely terrible. That's not good. Okay. So, is there going to be a pullback or what? Here's the news candle low. Almost swept this low here at 829. Who knows? If it wants to drop, it will drop. That's a possible sell side liquidity, by the way, if NQ decides to take the elevator. And so far, that is it. Itwip, I'm doing great. I had a very busy morning and it's super hot outside. It's like almost 40 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it was a very busy morning for me. And that's why I couldn't be here in the London session. And now I'll be honestly, I just don't know if I should just jump into a scalp. I mean, it feels like it wants to take that 23K. So you guys can risk it for the biscuit. I just don't feel like it. But it's interesting to follow what's happening. How you doing, Itwip? Yeah, everything was okay. I was actually taking my father-in-law to the hospital. He's gonna have a surgery tomorrow, so but all will be good, hopefully. So hope everybody's having an awesome day. Yeah, it will. Yeah, hopefully. Paper trading. Oh, your fund is yesterday. Yeah, you know, today and tomorrow. Well, I don't know. I'm not really expecting. Is it a bank holiday today in the United States? No, but tomorrow will be, right? Oh yeah. So whatever happens today, I guess tomorrow it will be even slower, right? How's Nvidia going? Still there. Tesla is struggling a little bit. All right. So not much is happening currently. Okay, my super magical indicators are still showing nothing. What about gold? Anybody looking into gold? We went up to that 3372.9. We were talking about it yesterday. And finally, it took that out. But let's see the 1 hour. Okay, nothing there. Swept some liquidity. Could be going higher, I guess. I mean, gold always goes higher, right? We have relative equal highs anyway. Just gotta be careful. On the 5-minute, this is actually a beautiful zone right here on gold. Looks absolutely perfect. 33.54. Yeah, it would just gotta leave the markets tomorrow. Yeah. Komodo, hey! Hey, good to see you. Today close at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard, Komodo. Eastern Standard, 1 p.m. Some prop firms let you to trade until like 12:50 or 12:59. Some prop firms requiring you to close positions at 12. I'm not really sure. I think MyFundedFutures requiring you to close the positions at 12, 10 minutes after 12. Let me check that actually. So who knows? Let's see. Yeah. Early close. Yeah, 105. July 4th. Okay. Early close. Yeah. Okay, so it says 12:50 on MyFundedFutures. We'll see. All right, so do we have a pullback or is it going to be a shift to the downside? I wonder what's it going to be. It might try to take out sell side. Who knows, you know. And how's the gold looking right now? Oh, gold goes up slowly. That's interesting news. Okay, so how far does this want to go? Maybe it can go all the way. $50-minute looks like a huge rejection candle. So maybe it can just do a sell-off into this news candle. Otherwise, nothing. Is there really a reason why they want to close? I can't tell. I mean, I think some prop firms close automatically your positions, but there are some prop firms, for example, Take Profit Trader. If you're not closing your positions, then that's an account breach. That's a hard breach. So you got to be careful with that. I don't know the real reason. Hey, Philcos, what's up? Well, I was taking care of some family business in the morning. Mentally wise, yeah. So I was taking my father-in-law to hospital, and I had a very busy morning. I told you guys, I think yesterday and before yesterday, I think was like on Tuesday and yesterday, like also posted it out on YouTube. But I'm here today, and tomorrow we'll go with the giveaway. Don't worry, it'll be cool. I see. Pull back to 920. Could happen. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe the 23K is just a trap. Don't worry about it, Fulcos. Don't worry. I forget things all the time. So Tomorrow, there's gonna be. Hold on. Tomorrow, on Friday, still a half day open. So, is that a good news or not? But tomorrow, futures are open until 1 p.m. So you can still trade futures if you want to. Okay, nothing is happening. Oh yeah, we have, what do we have? Hold on. Ah, yeah. ISM services PMI number. Okay. Okay, so that's going to be, okay, nothing else. Unemployment claims. Obviously, I mean, these are good news. I don't think that the ISM numbers are going to change too much about the fundamentals, but we'll see what the market wants. Yeah, Philcos, I think everybody's eyeballing 23K right now. So that's why it could be a tricky level. It could be a very tricky level. I'm just gonna sit on the sidelines. I'm not interested in this market, to be honest. I really don't. This is just not my kind of thing right now. Maybe on an evaluation account, maybe. But otherwise, otherwise not really. No traders, yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can fool around on a demo or a cheap eval maybe, but this is just not ideal at all. Well, I'm not married, sorry, Jonathan. Officially I am not married, but we've been together since almost 9 years now. So I just call my father-in-law as my father-in-law. But officially I'm not married. But you know, whenever I go some places like or if I just do, I mean, if I just you know, I just say, you know, in the shops or or anywhere, if I do something like, oh, I'm looking for my wife, you know, my wife left me this, or you know, whatever. Oh yeah, it's better. Don't worry. My hospital visit, I mean, this hospital visit actually helped. Yeah, so we've been together almost 9 years, and I just call her my wife. You know, when I introduce her or we go to places and meeting with some new people, I just say, you know, she's my wife. We practically do everything as husband and wife. So that's why I think we got so much. We are absolutely happy together and everything. We survived a lot of things together, and obviously we care for each other deeply. But you know, obviously it would be great to hold the ceremony and you know, have a party and everything, but we just didn't felt like it so far. Maybe we should do a ceremony or something officially. I heard that, by the way, Phil, because I heard that advice from other people here in Hungary too. Like, people keep telling me that, hey, listen, if you guys are happy together and obviously you see each other as husband and wife, like, why the hell do you want to do it officially? Actually, a few of my friends are telling me that if we want to make it official, we should still just do like an unofficial ceremony. Like, yeah, we can have a party, we can have a gathering and something, you know, family and friends, but it will still not be official. There will be someone who adds us together with some ceremony and stuff like that, but we're not going to sign any paper or any official stuff. It's just going to be a ceremony. That's all. Nothing else. But we'll see. Exactly. Here as well. So I already bought her, like, I don't even know, at least a few rings in the over the past almost 9 years. So she has rings from me. She has bracelets, necklaces, rings, all the jewelry, everything, earpieces, everything. She has everything. So just if we want to have just another ring. By the way, I'm not sure I want to have a ring, so we're fine. We're okay. But yeah, by the way, we are thinking to have a ceremony with friends, family, you know, have a party, and obviously, you know, do something, but not officially. Yeah, at this point, it's just a casino right now. You know, at this point, you shouldn't be involved in any trade at all. It's just super dangerous right now, especially this close to 23K. I would say be careful, everybody. You can never know what this market has in plan. And we have news in about 10 minutes, so who knows what's going to happen. But Green is having FOMO. She can easily go to a bound shop if needed. Exactly. I know, Freddy. I know. She's free to do it. But you know, as the law says in Hungary, if there is proof that we are living together for more than 5 years in the same household, if there is proof to that, you know, utility bills, whatever, I don't even know the details, like if there is enough proof, then actually it almost technically counts as a marriage. For example, if we would just separate like on some very bad terms, which is never going to happen, obviously, then you know, she could also just go to court and start to claim half of my assets, or I don't even know, if she can prove that that we were living together for at least 5 years. So what's happened here? 98.75. Wow, that was the high here on the micro. Almost went up there. Almost. Harsh truths, but in times we live in, the whole system is put in place again. Exactly. Filkos, I agree. I completely agree with you on that. Yeah. The state is not really for its citizens, you know. The system is against you, whatever you do. Almost 20. Officially, we didn't hit the 23K. High is 98.75 here, and the high here is 97.50. So it didn't go up there. Interesting, right? Quite interesting. Didn't go. Anyway, we're gonna have news shortly. I don't know those people, man. Hey, thank you, Freddy. Thank you so much. You found another red pillar. All right. Common law. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, Jonathan. Yeah, common law. Exactly. So, yeah, I have a lawyer friend. He's actually very good. He's a very good lawyer. And he actually told me that, obviously, he was trying to troll me, that don't be so sure about everything, Tom, because, if she decides to F you, then she can actually prove that you're living together. You were living together, and that can go to court. And the court can decide a lot of things. Anyway. Yes, I'm in Hungary, yes. You can easily live anywhere you want. Yeah, I mean, any European country, I mean, I can travel to. I mean, outside Europe as well, of course. There's not a big deal. It's very easy to get to places from Hungary, We are almost at the center of Europe. So if I just want to drive to any other country, we have quite a few countries around us. So we are one of those few countries. So our borders, we are surrounded by Austria, Slovakia, Ukraine, Romania, Serbia, and Croatia. So I can travel to quite a few places if I want to. So I guess that's kind of cool. If I really want to live somewhere at those places. All right. Let's see. The good news is today is all I did is I have passed 3 Take Profit Trader accounts. That's the good news. So I have 1 Take Profit Trader funded account here, brand new, as you can see, $820 on this test account. So new funded account, yay. The other account also passed $3,020. So yay. And the third account also passed $1,025. So 3 new funded accounts with Take Profit Trader. Super excited for that, actually. So next week is gonna be awesome. Next week is gonna be awesome. Have a kid, the court will always give the mother a child. Exactly. Exactly. Green, that's what happens in Hungary too. So the court is always going to like take sides with the mother, except if the mother, like, if there is proof that the mother is, if she can't raise the child, like no job, or maybe like alcohol problems or stuff like that, Yeah, exactly, it whips. So if I want to, for example, I like to drive to Slovakia. Slovakia is a beautiful place. If we want to visit during the winter, it's just great. Of course, we can go to Poland as well. I mean, it's not our neighbor, but it's very close. I can go to Poland. And, all the great places around us. So I really... I love Croatia, by the way. I definitely fallen in love with Croatia because the beautiful beaches, not the other beaches, but really beautiful everywhere. So the Adriatic Sea is just amazing. It's like so clean, so clean. You can see all the fish and everything. You can see through it. It's just amazing how beautiful and clean. You can check out my vlog video. Like 2 months ago, we were visiting Mali Lošinj in Croatia. I love Croatia. I mean, I love every country, but Croatia has a special place in my heart. So I don't live in Budapest. I live 90 kilometers south from Budapest. Obviously, I mean, to be honest, Budapest is beautiful, but how should I put this? I would not live there. It's too crowded for me. You know, I came from a village. I want to live in a peaceful place. Uh, Budapest is great to have some good time and have some fun and, you know, visit places. That's cool. But at the end of the day or the week, I just want to get back home to a quiet place. I don't like crowded places. How hard is it to get a visa to here in USA? So it's very hard. It's very hard. I mean, a tourist ESTA, you know, the tourist visa is easy, but only for a maximum 180 days. That's the maximum that you can have a tourist visa. Usually it's given for 90 days. But otherwise, if you want to have like a visa for like a few years, I actually want to get a visa for the United States because I do want to visit the States. If not this year, then next year. And I want not just a tourist visa. I want to have one that enables me to fly there in the next 10 years. Now, they told me I have to go to the United States Embassy for like personal to a report, to an interview. Sorry, to an interview. I have to bring a lot of papers, prove them my job, my income. They're going to ask a bunch of questions about my goals and my life and my background and everything. And they're going to decide if I can get a visa for, which is good for 10 years, I think. 5 to 10 years or something like that. So I have to go through a complete process to be able to get a longer validation. Not that simple. Yeah. Yeah, I have 3 new Take Profit Trader funded. Here it is. Here's one. This one blown up the other day. This one blown up, this evaluation. So now I have this other ones. 1, 2, 3. So this one just passed today. 1 and 2. And this is the third one. 3 new funded accounts. No activation fee. So, and I bought these with the 40% off promo. I lived in Nantes for 1 year. Oh, nice. Babes Hunter, hey. The cost of food, everything. The weather. Slovenia. I forgot to say Slovenia. Slovenia is beautiful too. Oh my gosh. Komodo says it's a short. I'm not going to take a short. That is for sure. We are basically in a place where no one has gone before. Hold on. Did I have a picture about this? I think I did. I thought I have. Maybe I don't. Oh yeah, here we go. There you go. So only the spaceship Enterprise has been. Now, which Enterprise ship is better? I like the original television series version, so I'm gonna take this one, the James T. Kirk version. So this is the territory of like no one has ever been here before. That's it. Yeah, like millennia. Yeah, who knows? Have you? Yeah, I've been in Paris like many years ago. I was like a teenager. We were visiting Paris with a bus tour. It was a group visit, and I hardly remember. We were in the Louvre, how to pronounce it? Anyway, I was in the Eiffel Tower too, but we didn't go all the way up to the top. Only like somewhere in the middle. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna short this. No way I'm going to short this one. All-time high. Yeah, exactly. All-time high party. Yeah. Oh, let me get this off. I mean, the same goes for ES as well, right? Of course. There you go. ES also all-time high. So it is what it is. Not guys, this is a historical moment. I am very grateful for all of you being here on the stream. This is a historical moment because all-time high everywhere. No trade. This is the biggest red flag not to take a trade. So no trade. We're just watching the market and we're chilling. You know, if you guys want to ask me anything, I'm here. I mean, I don't know what to talk about here. I'm not going to take a trade, that is for sure. So I'm opened up for topics or questions about whatever. I just don't know what to do with this market right now. This is basically something I am definitely not interested. Well, maybe we can look at gold, but I don't know. Yeah, maybe later we can look for that candle. Let's go down to the 5-minute. Her show. Hey. Recap all the prop deals. Okay, we can do a quick recap. And by the way, I must say that as of today right now, let me start with the cheapest one, okay? The cheapest one, including the activation fee right now, is Funded Futures Network. Buy one, get one for free promo today and tomorrow. 4th of July sale. They are doing this all the time. Buy one, get one for free. For example, $75, you can get a 50K 50K evaluation account. So 50% off already. $75, no activation fee. And here you go. You are going to get a free 50K test account also with no activation fee, which means you can get a 50K test account, sorry, not evaluation account with no activation fee for $37.50. This is the cheapest one ever in the market right now at Funded Futures Network. I'm also working on my Funded Futures Network account. So here they are. Here it is. Almost at the funded stage. This one is at 2,438. This one is at 2,474. I'm not gonna touch them today, so obviously this is gonna be next week. But you know, slowly getting there. Obviously, this was the cheapest one. Now the best, I think, by far, if everything being counted together, is MyFundedFutures and Take Profit Trader. 40% off with Take Profit Trader, no activation fee, and MyFundedFutures 50% off, one-time use only for existing users as well, and then 15%. So one time 50% of any plan, and then 15% from Starter Plus and Expert accounts. Really good deal, no activation. And of course, we still have the 83% from Bulenox, Apex 80%. DayTraders, TRADEDAY has a 40% off. Check them out. TRADEDAY. TRADEDAY has a 40% off deal. I'm gonna actually push much harder on TRADEDAY from now on, because I'm super happy that now they're letting you to trade on more than just one funded account. So you can have up to 3 funded accounts plus 1 live account, I guess, which is good. And you can have up to 6 accounts altogether with the valuations. Anyway, it's a great prop firm. Green, you're from North Korea. Awesome. Hey. Sell when it touches the enterprise. Okay. You can do that. Rocket Man. Green, you should keep, you know. Stop loss is break even. Let's go. Target is the enterprise. You know. He's trying to be me, all right. Write the deals on the chart, please. Okay. Well, I guess we can do that. Look at that. Oh, it's too small. Funded Futures Network. 50% off. No activation. Plus buy one, get one for free. Right? Right. So that's the first one. Second one. MyFundedFutures. 50% off. One time use any account. %15 after that. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! Gadragan.
Is the 4th of July an holiday to celebrate a giveaway?
Dude, I don't know what to say, man. We gotta do a giveaway. Wow. Guys, tomorrow I'll be starting the giveaway. There's gonna be cash and Take Profit Trader accounts. Everything is gonna be up on the channel and on the stream. So, Gadragan, first of all, you are amazing. Thank you. We're just going to start this in a second. And tomorrow, stay tuned. I'm going to put out everything. And I don't know how am I going to start the stream, or we're going to have a short stream or something. Everything is going to be out. Take Profit Trader accounts for giveaway. At least 550K accounts going to go for giveaway. And there's going to be cash as well. So stay tuned. Tomorrow is the giveaway starting. Galdragan actually way ahead, so we're gonna do this now. What a guy. Harshit, 4 funded accounts today. Let's go. Congratulations, man. Zero cool. I think it's gonna be sometime in the afternoon. I mean, sorry, maybe sometime during the New York session, you know. There's gonna be no MyFunded TV tomorrow, so I'm not gonna use my time to do every detail on the stream, and you know, We'll do it. Stay tuned. I am definitely better. Hey Maverick. Today I just traded on evals and that's it. Nothing else. I'm not doing anything on the funded accounts. Let me just start this off and Galdragan, thank you so much, man. In the name of the community, again, the way we're gonna do it is, sorry, I'm just gonna put this here. The way we're gonna do it is, hold on. Okay, giveaway started. Exclamation mark cash. Everybody gets one ticket. So the way we're gonna do it is I'm not gonna keep the entry on for too long just to save us from the bots, you know. So I'm just gonna say like we're gonna do it in about 10 minutes, okay? So we're gonna pick someone in about 10 minutes maximum. All right, so exclamation mark cash. Make sure to enter. Sponsored by Geldragon. Duck race. How can I do that? Is there any other way to do a giveaway, like do some, I don't know, marbles or something? I'm actually opened up for ideas. Can we do that stream game? Like I think I have to install some third-party application to be able to do some games, and the winner is gonna get the giveaway. We're gonna do it next time, and you know. 146, Yoshi is saying. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Let me put this. Geldragan, again, you're amazing for doing this. No words. No words. Payout from Top Step, they deducted from the balance, and I resumed trading after then. I lost the account while waiting for. Yeah, it's gonna come through. Don't worry. Once the balance has been deducted, you're good to go. So don't worry about it. It will be okay. It's gonna go through. Come on, everybody. Exclamation mark cash. And yeah. Not much to do in this hour, right? Especially on these levels. yeah, I'm just reading the details. The buy one get one for free promo ends tomorrow midnight Eastern Standard, so 4th of July midnight evening, and you know, so far I don't know how many bot entries. We have 35 tickets, and I see 46 viewers, and we'll see how it goes. We're gonna close down the entries in about 3 minutes, okay? Just to make sure. How long? It's throughout the whole month. The 50% one-time use is you can use it all month, one time, and then until the end of July it goes to 15%. So whatever you buy is going to be basically 50% off at MyFundedFutures, and after that it's going to be 15% off until the end of July. So that's the monthly promo right now, if there's going to be no other update, but for now that's all we know. All right, 36 tickets. Yeah, by the way, I'm just saying, if you guys like the bigger accounts, the 150Ks are definitely super cheap right now. Very cheap. So, Moritz Franson, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome. Thanks for joining. $39 people. All right, all right. Getting there. Less than 2 minutes. I'm gonna close it actually in 1 minute and 30-second ish. Yeah, absolutely. So that's why I'm saying, you know, everybody should get involved with MyFundedFutures, at least to try it, because now it's super cheap with the 50% one-time use. You know, you gotta take it. That's like a no-brainer. It's a very simple no-brainer. Like, excellent prop firm, everything is great. Why not take no activation fee? You gotta take an advantage of these accounts, especially the bigger accounts. Yes, those are very good deals right now. Yeah, we got a code. Tom Sabo up there. The code is Tom Sabo. The code. You know. You want to get the best deals. You want to get the best accounts. You want to make sure that you'll be treated the best way at MyFundedFutures. Go for it. The code is Tom Sabo. Or you just want to have a great weekend. Happy 4th of July. Or a good time with your family and friends. Or the best discount at the local grocery store. Go for it. At the checkout, just say the code Tom Sabo. Sponsored by Tom Sabo's YouTube stream. Quick phone call. All right, quickie phone call. So that was the thing. Okay. So you know the best code. You want a chicken kebab? Okay, make sure to use the code. No, that is Funded Futures Network, Jay. Funded Futures Network having a buy one get one for free. Cool ad voice, thank you. Hey, Methodical Man is here. I wasn't sure that I'm gonna make it. You know, I wasn't sure that I'm gonna make it to the stream. So it was a last minute yesterday, and my request will be sent out to the team. The customer support told me I requested them to introduce. Nice. All right, Philcos has someone on the inside there. All right. Anyway, let's do the Methodical Man. Man, I will text you because I have some great ideas. Let's do the giveaway, all right? We have 43 tickets. Oh my god, we have less viewers than tickets. So I'm just closing it. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm closing it. Okay. Close it. Oh my god, Trading Star. Resuming the entry. Trading Star, you gotta get in there, man. Okay, you got the ticket. Okay, you got the ticket. All right. Now I'm closing it. Okay, now it's closed. Now it's closed. I'm covering the chat. Okay. Covering the chat, and make ourselves comfortable with some chill, you know, very light, like lounge music. All right. Elevator music. The winner of the giveaway, sponsored for the 25th time by Gelgreden. Again, kind of annoying, right? It's gonna be no other than the one, the only, the best trader in the stream. Someone who knows better, who's just hiding his or her talent, who was always better than us, and still here in the chat. Who is this mystery person? Who is this one that is gonna take away that $50 cold hard cash? You don't know, but we have to find out. So the winner is gonna be no other than the one and only Profits Stop Loss. Congratulations for the winner, Profits SL. Congratulations for winning the $50 court hard cash giveaway. Make yourself known on the stream. Hopefully you're here. If not, I mean, we're gonna wait a few minutes. If you're not here, we're just gonna re-roll the prize for the next person. Oh, he's here. Change your name to TP. All right. Congratulations on the win. Let me just log into the chat here. I'm gonna post my email here. I hope you have PayPal. I really hope. If you don't, well, I can still do Wise or Revolut, or PayPal obviously would be awesome, or maybe crypto, but that's not gonna be easy for me right now because in Hungary I can get to jail right now. So this is how it works, you know. This is the thing. You have PayPal. All right. Let me here's my email. Here's my email. Send me your PayPal address and I'm gonna make this happen super fast. All right, I'm gonna make this happen. Or at least I hope I can. Profit TP winner. Exactly. Yeah, we gotta be careful. Aussie, hey, good to see you. Maverick says it's a bot. Hopefully not. He typed in the chat. Couldn't be a bot, right? Spin again. Welcome everybody. If I forgot to say hello. Okay. So, what is there to do in a market like this? Only on evaluation account, and I'm proud to say that I passed 3 Take Profit Trader accounts. So 3 new funded accounts with Take Profit Trader. 1 and 2 and 3. So 3 new Take Profit Trader accounts today with Take Profit Trader. That's the best thing that happened so far. I was not trading on my funded accounts because I was not here in the London session. Okay. Are we trading tomorrow? Well, we can trade. Most likely I'm gonna trade on an evaluation account. Most likely I'm not gonna abuse my funded accounts, I think, tomorrow, but we're gonna have a stream. The Take Profit Trader giveaway is gonna start tomorrow. 550k accounts and some cash as well, so stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and that's gonna be, everything's gonna be just awesome. Hold on a second, quick phone call. I gotta do this quick phone call. Quick phone call here. What are the restrictions on cryptocurrency? Well, we go to jail, basically. Here's the article about cryptocurrency. I'm gonna show you guys what is happening in Hungary. A new law just came out in Hungary 2 days ago. This is 2 days ago. Basically, this is what's happening. So you could go to jail for crypto trading. Crisis situation in the Hungarian market. So there's a new law, salad law, actually. So the government can actually put you into a jail if you're trading with cryptocurrency, basically, in Hungary. Democracy, you know, let's go. Anyway. Okay. Nice. Okay, I have your email. Does your email, just all I need is just a small confirmation. Does your email have 2020 in it, just to make sure? you know. Um, the number 2020. I guess it does, right? I'll see you tomorrow, Itwip. Have a good one. Thanks for dropping in. Yep, alright. Alright. Just wanted to make sure because... Hold on. Hold on. What is going on here? Hold on, hold on. Gotta make sure that my debit card is topped up because, you know, sometimes it can go crazy. Okay. All right, it's been done. It's done. It has been sent. I have the confirmation too. Congratulations. You're short. Booked one win for... Oh, nice. Well, there's nothing wrong if you're short. I just don't see any target that I like down there. So, but hey, the thing you mentioned about the 10 a.m. open, I do like that level actually. That's kind of cool. That's a good level. I'm gonna actually put a line there, but you know, I'm not gonna force myself into it, but I'm gonna, you know, there's a small fair value gap here if you guys want to take a short. Right there. Like, at least it can go down to the 17. Look at that. Interesting. Let's go. Confirm received. Nice. Congratulations, man. Craziness and delusion if necessary. Yeah. It can happen. It can happen, that's for sure. Oh, look at that. Now it's going back down. We can't get below and stay below 43. Yeah, it can happen, but where do we go from here? Are we gonna go up to like 100 and then who knows? I just don't have anything up here. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, it's very hard. It's very hard to predict anything right now. Look at ES. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to do with this. Maybe we can look into gold. I mean, gold actually looks fun. Gold kind of looks okay. There's a zone here at 33.54. Interesting level. Feels like it just wants to invert this gap. Look at this. And then maybe try to go and break that 33.48. Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna keep an eye on for gold. Because with NQ, there's just nothing we can do. Man, interesting moves. Oh, man, it's watching paint dry here. I think this was it. You know, I mean, this price action is just gonna stay like this for the rest of the day, and that's it. And that is it. Yeah, I wouldn't take a risk here. If you want to do something on your evaluation accounts, then yeah, maybe, but not on NQ or ES. I think we're definitely done with the market for today. Even though the market is still going to be open for another 2 hours or so. I think this was it. And maybe you can look into gold if you're really interested, but so far that is it. I don't see anything that I want to engage with. Casual, hey. Yeah, so I was having some family stuff to do, but I'm here. And tomorrow, also not sure if I tried to do the London stream, maybe early London stream. I'm not sure about how the markets are gonna go in London session, but obviously we'll see. We'll see. Ladies and gents, I'm just gonna call it. There's nothing to do here, nothing, and I'm just not going to push the button. That's for sure. So I'm gonna be coming back for tomorrow for a I don't know what's it gonna be. Yeah, I'm gonna trade a London session. Hopefully, maybe it's gonna be a shorter stream, but I'll be here. And in the New York session too, like maybe we'll do some backtesting or whatever. But I'll be back tomorrow on Friday too. But this is just not something you need to be in. I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly. We're gonna talk about risk management and stuff. So obviously I'm not gonna push the button there as well. But you guys are welcome to join us at MyFunded TV. The vibe is super great, and the hosts are great. Everybody's great there. So I'll be there in about 40 minutes. And if not there, then I mean, tomorrow London session continues. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Please, if you would like to support the channel, don't forget the code TomSabo. It works at most of these prop firms, everywhere basically. Please use it if you would like to support the channel, the stream, to keep the show rolling and going. Thank you, and very grateful for everybody. And I'll be at MyFunded TV a little bit later today. Hope to see you guys there. And mostly, God bless you all. All right. So cheers. See you there.